Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Dustin with Extreme Lifestyles. Today, I'm stoked to show you the brand new lineup for the LTD line in Sunset Park. This is a 13BD. 13BD standing for bedroom and dinette. This has a permanent full-size bed in there, a dinette. It only weighs 2,380 pounds. We have 6.5 foot of interior height inside. It's only 16 foot 2 inches long and 9 foot 2 inches tall. So let's check this awesome camper full options out and let me know what you think.
Let's check out this awesome lightweight little floor plan made by Sunset Park RV. Let's start right up front. This Sunlite comes with a 20-pound propane tank and this awesome manual jack that you can just flip the top up and use a drill adapter that works on those stabilizer jacks. Next, we go into our removable footprint down on the jack below and into our 7-pin round wiring. This does have electric brakes on it. Now we're going into our battery. I'm hooked up right now to a battery pack, but you'd take those L-shaped brackets in there and put a battery in there. Here's a disconnect switch showing that I'm turned on right now, but also flipping it over and turning it off. At each corner, on all 4 corners, we have our stabilizer jacks. Now let's show our large outside storage. This is also accessible from underneath the bed inside, held up with a luggage door holder. You do not have a pass-through. It's only on the other side, this side, that you can open up. Fresh water connection here. That's when I'm filling up a water tank and using my water pump. Over here's a city water connection when I'm connected to a house or a campground with pressurized water. Down here is going to be my marker lights. Those run on my running lights, and I've got one at each corner to point out my far points. Stickers over there with all of our information on them. Fire escape window here. Gutter system up top. Then my ladder on the go. This is the Lippert ladder on the go bracket where I can hook up that telescoping ladder up top to get up to the walkable roof up top. Right there's my hood vent. Make sure I pop that open so it releases the air inside while I'm cooking. Coaxial cable here. Connect my satellite or my cable if I want to put the TV in there. Here's my furnace exhaust. Over into my 6-gallon water heater. Oh, come on. And then into my awesome tires. These are some real off-road tires. Outside shower. Pop this thing open. Show you it has a hot and cold water spigot. Rinse off the kids, the dogs, yourself, the toys, whatever you want. Now we're going into the dump station. Gray is okay, black is for crap. Gray is okay, black is for crap. Black is for the toilet, gray is for the drains. Black is for the toilet, gray is for the drains. Over there are going to be our low point drains. Then on this we have our square bumper. We can take that end cap off, store things inside. We can also move around the accessories, which it looks like the spare tire needs to be moved so we can, well, easily access the plug-in. That's our 30 amp plug back there, which I'm just realizing is covered by the spare tire. Gotta love it. Then out here we have our 5,000 mount BTU, side mount BTU air conditioner with the vent up top. All LED lighting. This beautiful 9 foot electric awning with the outside LED light strip. Nice dining room window in there. 110 household outlets outside. Also a beautiful solid step to get into this camper, which we're going to go inside right now and check out the interior. As soon as we walk into the interior, we're going to realize that we have this cabinet drawer right here, the closet drawer. That's going to be our wardrobe. Hang up some clothes in there. Right above that's our shelving unit that goes all the way across the top of the front. Into our plugs, USB plugs and 110 household outlet plugs. Then the mattress, which is a full-size mattress, and our fire escape with our thermostat above it. Below the mattress is storage underneath, which I just showed you from the outside. You can access from the roadside. Over here is going to be our fire extinguisher. Above that is going to be our cable ready and TV backer and place to put a TV if we'd like it. On the other side of the entrance, as soon as we walk in, we have our master control panel. This is going to be where we turn on our water pump, water heater, lights, open and close the awning, and check out our levels for our gray water tank, black water tank, and battery. Above that's going to be our solar charge controller. Oh, and that's showing the lights and how you turn them on and off. You have your main control panel for the lights. One switch will operate most of them except for your bathroom. And then you can easily individually operate each individual light. Alright, below that's going to be our Bluetooth speaker mount into our dinette. This is a 30-inch dinette. As far as width goes, I'm 6'2" and I can almost sleep flat-footed in there. Cabinets above the dinette, they are all the way through. You don't have a center beam in there or anything. Then the air conditioner, little shelf, 4.3 cubic foot, 12-volt fridge with a freezer up top and the fridge down below. Below that's going to be our carbon monoxide detector and our fuse box and breaker box with the auto detect if we want to put on a different battery like the AGM, lithium, or lead acid. Now let's go into the bathroom and check this baby out. Yes, this 13-footer still has a bathroom with a fan above the shower. Oh, there's light. Shower and toilet. And with a mirror. Hello. With a little medicine cabinet in there. Turn off the lights and on to the kitchen. In the kitchen, we've got cabinets, drawer, more storage under the sink, heater blower down below, that's where our heat comes out, nice big fridge, 2-burner stove, power behind it, hood with a vent and a light up top. Right above that's going to be a couple cabinets, and this one's going to have the plug for a microwave if I want to put a microwave in there. In this one we can see our owner's manuals for most of the appliances and our Bluetooth speaker. For the owner's manual of these actual campers, you'd want to go onto Sunset Park's website and look them up. Now let's take you into the dinette. For the dinette, first clean off the table. Then pop the tabletop off, pop out the tabletop leg. Try not to damage anything when you do this, and just be careful. Alright, next, take the tabletop, bring the corner that's cut off onto the inside so you don't flip over when you sit down, then set it right onto the extra support brackets that are located right inside of the dinette area. You can clearly see them. They're extra pieces of wood that just look like something's supposed to sit on them. Next, you're taking out your backings for your cushions and using your cushion backs for your dinette for the rest of your mattress. Now I have some snowy boots on, so I don't want to get this all nasty, but again, I'm 6'2". I could almost fit in there. It's probably 6'2" exact in length, maybe 6'1". Now I'm going to show you how to turn it back into a dinette. Just flip those cushions back into the backing, flip that table upside down, grab that table leg, put it back in. Make sure that the corner cut out is over on the opposite side where it'd be hard to get in if you were trying to sit down into the dinette. And there you go. It's that easy. Oh, boom, and done.
Thanks for sticking around and watching the whole video. If you like these videos, do me a favor, hit that little subscribe button in the corner and keep on coming back for my weekly uploads. I live in a converted van. I'm doing this stuff all the time and I love this lifestyle. So keep on coming back. Thanks for watching.